Hey gang, before we get into this epic storytime video, I just want to say thank you to OB Designs for my YouTube banner. The link to his Instagram page will be down in the description, so you can go over and check out all his other services. ¿Qué pasa, mi amigos? Bienvenido 876 and chill. As you can see from the title down below, today we're going to be doing a mukbang and I'll be telling you about my experience the day I got robbed. Now, I got robbed twice in my life, but I'm going to tell you about the first time I got robbed. And it's going to be a mukbang setting. That you can see, I have my juice right here in my special 876 and chill bottle, and I have some jerk chicken and fries. So let's get into it. So about in 2009, I think I was in 9th grade, and I was leaving from school. I went to Depop in high school, yeah. All the time a girl little and nice and cute. Now I fat like I'm fat now. I was leaving from school. I'm gonna insert a picture right over somewhere over here. So and me when I did that school, I look nice. I look good. Girls still look nice anyways. So I did I leave from school, right? And normally when I leave from school, I remember my friend them would have stop and get ready the regular fix up. When them time they think you're at some, you have to wash your face before you left school. And the school I went to was a shift school, right? So I was on morning shift. You know me, I have get ready for me go home, clean shoes, fix up back ear, wash face. If you never ice cream, you never carry a piece of soap, you never hot. You never probably the hot girl them. You have to wash face before you leave school, and you have to clean your shoes and fix up back your ear. Right? And comment below, and that was for boys and girls. Comment down below if when you do that at high school, you used to do them little things before you left school. Do my little thing. I think that day I wasn't walking with my crew. I wasn't walking with my friends. They have a crew name with the Hot Steppers. Do you understand? I used to pick up and walk home my daytime. But I think that day I was walking with my cousin because my cousin and I went to the same school. So don't pick up some friends when I leave because I walk with my cousin like them. So normally when I leave school, I have to call my father and make him know say, I leave school because my father want me. So every move for me, I have to call my father and make him know say I left from which family. I like a jerk chicken. So I left school now, and for those who know Papin High School is located behind UTEC. So when I walk from the road there, I remember say, oh, I'm gonna call my father. I'm just Skyline Plaza now. And guys, regular people say I'm not cut you. I'm not cut the story, but when I hit the like button, share the video, and comment. No fun to watch a video like 100, I want to watch a video, and just 30 now to hit the like button. So if the thumbs button they want to show right as well, it either say like or it have a little thumb. Press it. Right? Because you not enjoy it, right? You not enjoy the content. So, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just Skyline now. Right? No, you should have phoned them. It was a sidekick phone, right? Are the sidekick them people there, man? Are you the sidekick? Yeah. You know sidekick phone? When I got ice, when I got artist set of phone. Right? And then we tell you why I used to have the access of phone them. Two reasons. One, I used to save my money and buy it. One of them, I just save money and buy it. The other one, Then they want like a boyfriend, I him did buy it for me. But yeah. So I think that one was a side gig. Just get my phone. Little need phone. Side up and text some. Take out my phone now. So, you know? I call my father and make him know that I leave school now and I walk out of the papi. I skyline the number. And so I walk down. One boy did I walk come up. You know, say boy grab my phone. And my father said, hello, good boy grab the phone because I did film one. I did me and film boyfriend buy the phone for me. So I grab it. Him grab my phone. Now, you know people always talk about fight or flight. I think my experience told them that day. Because when him grab my phone and I walk past like a film, I grab him up in the chest too and turn him around back to me. Call my phone. So how dare you grab my phone and my phone? No. You see me? I really love my phone even now. I love chat on my phone. I like text, I like call people. But how dare you? I just get the phone about 2 weeks ago. Come grab it. Right, my son? I don't know if it was fight or flight or a combination of both. But within the time when him grab my phone, me managed to stretch because I'm grabbing back and basically jerk up and turn it back to me. So, I who tell me say, me if I drop up good boy after I grab film phone. So my boy drop me up back to. When he drop me, normally I walk with a pen in my hand. Normally it's not because oh, me I think it's not because it's just that I don't do what I do. The pen either in my pocket and sometimes I just you know them pen they used to have the color. I always click the top. So I just work in my hand. So them show me but now, you know them pen there, it has applying a force to it. The pen, the writing part release. Sorry, right? So when good boy grab me up back now, I try to stab him with the pen. The pen I pick up back for it to stab the boy. Can you believe it? So, me still hold on for him. Call my phone. It's my one, sir. It's never your one. No way, do. Ano just when do? Ano just when do? The boy give me one rat kick in my belly. Drop me blue for ground. That's how I let him go. Drop me right at ground. And again, it come next time I never business so the boy just tip me, you know. He tip me around across the road. Now if you know Skyline, across from Skyline Plaza, you have a bar and one abandoned looking building. But me I said abandoned, there was nobody in there. And you have one yard going in there so. Boy run across the road and I run him down across the road too. When I go across the road and he run go down in one yard and I run down. Bear in mind, my brain not 50%. But you run back at the boy far. I just want phone. Suppose the boy kidnap you, suppose him kill you, you have to follow back at him. I run down the boy for my phone. So, when I run him down now, go down to the yard, he run past one big dog. Before the dog run down the boy to and get back my phone, the dog will start running me down. I said, boy, oh boy, and tell me I cut up a Skyline now, wait for me to call my father, everything. I come back up, I said, girl, which part him gone? I said, yo, I don't know. The dog start running me down, and I come back up. Then I start bawling down, because I'm a vet. Let me look. You know? If I'm 9th grade, I 10th grade. But when I look, I realize I have blood on my clothes. When him grab me, my chest him actually grab me and my chest did that beat. But still I don't want to my chest now, but it kind of faded. Because I just woke up with the panic, so it kind of faded. You know, I start buying now. Because the boy take my phone. I just get my phone about a week ago. And the boy take it because I film one. I did film boyfriend and my boyfriend bright film. So, my father, I call my father, tell him to walk along the puppy in police station. Go along the station. I reach the station, my friend Kayan did that way for me too. So she tell me, say, oh, I know the boy. And the lady was at the school gate, son. I said, Lord. But guess what no? She gonna tell me that love with my father here. That's how I don't make the statement. I pop in police station now. And then my open father come, make statement, get my receipt. Father to come. My father go down in car and take out him cutlass thing. Tuck it in his shirt. No, I lie. Would it go for the school gate first? Cause basically at the time she never leave it because she take a morning shift and evening shift. So we go up there. I mean, spend a whole time at the station, a whole long blouse and skirt time just to get one report. I'm gonna tell them so much time what they happen. Right? Because everybody would see as ever something. And yeah, the policeman did right. I should have run him down, right? But on my phone. On my phone. On my phone. And you grab it, sir. And it wasn't yours. You're not supposed to be like that. Anyways. So, me and my father, my friend and my cousin go back up at the school gate. And my father asks her, where's your son? She said, "Can I put the car?" She don't know where him there. And him and a thief. Right? And I do 3 hours. Shame. Me know what, you see me? I don't pay attention to people. I will see you 10 times a day. I'm going to see you. Because I'm my own business until you come and move it. Right? So as them tell me, say, I feel son, pay your son. You must say, yes, I must see by the shop. I little stall. Anyways, father asked her with father Sunday. I shouldn't know. In Ghana country a long time trying to see him. I'm father to real. I'm father to make sure say when you see him the time to me I look for him. Okay, so when you come to my daughter's chest, make sure say him bring back her phone. Anyways, so she don't see him. My father left. And I think when they go back at the station I tell them say, you know the mother sit up at the school gate and whatever. They never really did nothing about it. So I saw my father go downstairs now and take out him last out of the car and say, come. Oh, walk through popping. One time I freaked me because I said, bombardos. My father killed that boy and him see me now. So my chest cut, my phone gone. I just kick my pants up head. How dare you sir kick my father one picnic? Anyways, we walk through popping and down a tavern. Never see boy. When me look on how vexed my father was, I said, alright. Or if I see him, I not show him. Because when me think about it, my father might chop up you little dirty criminal and then go to jail. Then me not go have no daddy. Me tell myself and I say, anyone me see him, never go show him. Anyways, couple weeks pass and I think the CAP program did start. Remember we around the same time? Around the same time Iowa. But CAP program could start now. You don't who up on the CAP program in the same school yard as me? The boy. And I said, oh, I'm done at the automaker school. And I them something like car. And the boy did the what? Automaker as well. You know, at some point in time, we have a cross part while in the garage. See me one day, walk one baby. I say, hello, you sir, don't talk to me. You remember me? I'm sure I say, remember you cut me and just want to grab me in the chest and kick me and take my phone and say, there, sir, do not talk to me. Because if you say one next word to me, I'll call my daddy for you. Yeah, me I call my father. So you see, if you want your life, do not talk to me. And bear in mind now, this was the boy who kicked me. I was afraid of this boy. Is that time I walk out, I nearly shit myself. Like, I don't know which part of piece of anger they come from, and I mean to me tell the boy to don't talk to me. Right? But still now I tell my father something that got the same school with me now. I'm gonna tell my father something up to this day, my team after that. And I don't say a word. But yeah guys, that is all. A little boy that drop me. So guys, if you enjoyed that story time, you know you can make me know if you want to hear about the next time we get rap. Same place pop in, same phone. Well, not the same phone, but phone again. Can make me know. Tell me if you enjoy the little mukbang settings. Comment down below, like, share and subscribe if you're new here. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms. The link to them will be down in the description. Until next time, bye! ¿Qué pasa, mi amigos? Buenos días.